Hey guys, thanks for clicking onto my video. I'm your girl Latoya. If you want to see how I went from this to this, then I suggest you stay tuned for this quick and easy protective style tutorial on my 4C natural hair. Hey guys, welcome back. Now, as you can see, I am super excited because my headband wig has arrived. Now, my friend purchased this hair for me on Amazon, so I would definitely link the details in my description below. Now, this hair is from Mengkai hair. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I am in love with the package. So I'm just gonna dive right into it to show you all the items that they have inside. So of course you're going to have the hair itself. I would pull it out the package soon. Also in this little goodie bag is a cute little brush that you can use to sweep your edges. Yes guys. Also it comes with this additional headband. It also comes with 2 wig caps so you can secure your natural hair under the wig. In addition, it comes with these pair of earrings. They are not gold guys, but it's very cute, and that's all. So guys, let's go into the hair. Now this hair is a 12-inch human curly headband wig, and it says it's 150% density Brazilian virgin hair. The color is JC. I'm not sure what JC means, but it's similar to a 1B or number 2 color. And guys, I am so loving this hair. It feels so soft and it feels natural. Guys, I'm super excited. So guys, the first thing to note is this band that is attached to the wig itself, hence it is called a headband wig. And it also has this velcro item at the back so you can stick together just to secure the hair in place. In addition, it comes with some clips, and all you have to do is to stick these clips in your natural hair just to secure the wig onto your head. So guys, because this is still a wig, you don't have to do anything spectacular with your natural hair. As you can see, my hair is in some giant plaits. I washed my hair the day before and I allowed it to hair dry because I don't like to use heat on my hair. The only thing I'm going to do is to undo the front portion so I can go ahead and lay that section as flat as possible. So now I'm just going to apply my gel, and the gel that I'm using is my Ultra Gel Wax. You can use whatever gel that you have, but I'm just showing you what I am using. So now I'm just going to go in with the wig cap to hold down the front portion of my hair and just to secure my hair under the wig itself. At first the cap felt a bit tight, but I later found out that I used both caps instead of one. So now I'm just going to go in with my Got To Be glue / gel to lay my edges. Now again, you can use whatever gel that you have, but I like to use this gel because to me it holds my edges much longer than the other gels. So after laying my edges, I like to tie it down a bit while I get my face all dolled up. So guys, time to install the hair. As you can see, my edges are perfectly laid, and I'm also wearing those big hoops that came with the hair itself. So I'm just gonna undo the velcro at the back Then I'm going to take the front portion of the wig. There are 3 clips at the front. I'm just going to take the middle clip and stick that into the center of my hair under the wig cap. And then I'm going to take the other 2 clips that are at the side and stick those into my natural hair as well. Now I'm going to take the clip at the back and I'm going to secure that in my natural hair under the wig cap. Once this is done, I'm going to take the ends of the headband and secure it around the back of my head. So guys, this is the final look. I am truly loving this quick and easy headband wig. I love the texture of this hair. It's so full, it's so soft. The only downfall I have is that the package says it's a 12-inch hair. However, it felt more like an 8 to 10-inch to me. So what I also love about this hair is that you can apply water and you can also apply your mousse. Now the mousse helps to keep down frizz and give the curls a bouncier look and add some sheen to the hair. So it's definitely a plus. The hair, as I mentioned before, also comes with an additional headband. I'm not really a fan of the pattern, but hey, it's free and it's still cute, and so I'm definitely loving this hair. It was so quick and easy to install, so it's also a plus as it relates to installation. Guys, if this is your first time tuning in, thanks for clicking onto my video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.